Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset FordPass on a used vehicle in 2026. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to go to your vehicle's infotainment screen. Afterwards, you just have to simply navigate to the settings, then go to the general option and then look for the option of reset. Now here when you are able to find the reset option, simply select it and then simply confirm it. This is going to clear the previous owner's data and it will also prepare the system for the new connection. Afterwards, you just have to open the FordPass application on your phone. Then simply add the vehicle using the VIN number. If your vehicle is still linked, you will be prompted to request the ownership. So back in the car, a message will appear on the screen. So tap on the option of yes in order to confirm the ownership. And this is going to link the vehicle to your account and also remove the previous access. After doing so, you can restart your vehicle and refresh the application as well. Check for some of the features like remote start, lock, and vehicle status in order to confirm everything is working. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.